Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So your girl has got her hands on the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie palette. I mean, it would be wrong. It would be so wrong for me not to do my intro, doing her intro. I mean, come on. I literally am so excited to share this look with you. I'm excited to share my thoughts, this review with you, because I really like Jackie Aina. I think she's brilliant. I think she's amazing. I mean, how many more words can I use to describe this woman? But yeah, I'm just really excited that, you know, she's got a palette with big boy Anastasia Beverly Hills. Like, wow, well done to you. Before I let you go, make sure you're subscribed. There is a subscribe button somewhere in the corner. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it, because it does really help me out. So yeah, anyway, enjoy the video. Okay guys, here it is. I am so excited. We're gonna crack this baby open. How gorgeous is the packaging? Okay guys, so this is what the palette looks like. I am living for this moment. It almost looks like croc skin, reptile skin, but I love that the ABH logo is like, you know, got a Jackie spin on it on the front. It's just so different. I also like the fact that it's not velvet, because all of my ABH palettes that are velvet, you should see the state of them. Hoping and guessing that this is probably easier to clean, but let's open the palette. Oh my god. Okay, are you ready? Okay guys, so this is what the palette looks like, which I'm sure you've seen all over Instagram. It also comes with a brush, like all ABH palettes do. And the shades in this just look insane. I just think it's such a different palette to what ABH have already got. I kind of don't want to talk about it anymore. I just want to get the shades on and let you know what I think about it when it's actually on my eyes, you know? So I'm having a look. I'm like, what do I want to do? I've just swatched some of the shades and they just look so amazing and intense. Oh, actually, I have to say the names in this palette are just the best. Like Zam, Dwellers, Shookington, Wigglies, Big Wig, Trust Issues, boy, that is me, Edges, Sponsored, Credit, Lituation. I literally love like all of the names in this palette. So unique. But yeah, let's get this palette on. So guys, I'm just applying the P. Louise base in the shade number 2. I do like it, but at the same time, I just find it so long to use. You have to pat it in and blah, blah, blah. I just want to get it on. I actually like to use a sponge just to like pat it in and smooth it out, just because I feel like it just works so much quicker for me. I kind of want to do something a little bit different today. So I would normally probably go in with like the shade Zam, Soleil. Even though they're like amazing and different, there are a lot of safe shades like Rose Gold and this ginger shade, Edges. These are kind of staple shades that you need. So I'm going to take the shade Supreme and I'm just going to work that through the crease. Oh, damn. Okay, that's pigmented from the get-go. Like, wow. Impressed. Like, this is literally one pat into the shadow and blend, and sis is coming through with pigmentation for y'all. So I'm just gonna blend this back and forth through the crease. This is gonna be the transition shade, shall we say, and I'm just gonna keep taking it back and forth. This is probably the first time I've ever used a baby pink like this and it's gone on like this. I have to say though, like all ABH palettes, I don't want to say there's fallout, but there would be if you don't pat your brush. There's always a little bit of dust that comes off of the shadow, and I think that's just all ABH shadows. They're very dusty, so you will get fallout, so be careful with that. But just look at that, the pigmentation is there. So I mean, I'm not mad at the fact that there's fallout. And then I'm going to take the shade Shookington, which is this one right here. But before that, I'm just going to take a bit of the NYX glitter primer and just take a little bit right over onto my lid, just because this shade I'm about to use is a metallic shade and I really want it to pop. Using a glitter primer is just going to help it do that. So I'm just taking this over my lid and patting it. Like, can you see it's made it super tacky? So now we can go ahead and just pat Shookington right over Oh my god, this is so beautiful. And it's just going all over my lid. That is so pigmented. I swatched this shade without the glitter primer and it was pigmented anyway, but it's just the metallicness of it gets to pop a bit more when you use the glitter primer. So then I'm going to take a little bit of Shookington, which is the shade we just used on our lid. I'm basically just going to run over the edge so it doesn't look so harsh. I don't actually want it to be a super harsh cut crease or anything. I want it to like softly blend, but I don't want to take this shade up too high. I still want that pink shade to come through. So I definitely have fallout on my nose with this product. I'm using a brush that's got some setting powder on it so I can kind of just dust it away. I'd probably just use this palette when I've got no face makeup on, or just be super careful with tapping off excess. So I'm also just going to run some of that Shookington shade just on my lower lash line, but I just need to dust off this excess powder first. This is beautiful. I really like this. Also, this kind of purple, I don't know, it's just a bit different. I like the fact that it's not a super light purple and it's not a super dark purple either. There's so much dust, like fallout with this palette. So definitely be careful, guys. But then at the same time, like the color payoff is so amazing. And then I'm just going to go in with a teeny bit of the pink shade right underneath. Just a little bit, more so on the outer corner. Just to kind of like tie it all in. But a really teeny bit, because I don't know how much I like the pink on the bottom. I'm just doing it on this side a little bit just to match it up. And then it's time for some liner. And I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner, which I'm so excited to get on. So I'm just gonna get this on as I normally do. I like to start off in the middle of my eye and then create my wing and join everything all up. This is probably one of the tiniest wings I've done in a hot minute. Now I'm shook to try and get the other side matching, but just really quickly, I found that the black liner is actually really nice and runny, super black, and I love the tip. You get a really nice fine tip with this. And I don't think it's a brush. I think it's a felt tip. So you don't have to worry about bristles getting all weird and ruined. Okay, liner is on and I'm just going to tightline with some black eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D Cake Pencil, I think it's called. And I really, really like this. Like, if you're looking for a pencil liner that stays put, then this is it. So I'm just going to go in with some mascara. I'm taking the Dior Pump and Volume. It says volume, that's why I said it like that. I love this mascara. Like, I'm literally obsessed with it at the moment. It's so good. It gives me volume, it gives me length. I mean, look at my lashes. And this is just one coat of mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup, and then I'm going to come back when I've done it all so I can stick on my lashes with you and finish off this look. Okay guys, the rest of my makeup is on. I am going to list all the products in the description box below if you want to know what else I'm wearing. But I am going to get some Tatti Lashes on in the style TL6. I want lashes that are going to, you know, wing out, lift this look up a little bit. And I just love Tatti Lashes. They're so good for any like makeup artist, up and coming artist that wants to build their kit, and they do such good like discounts for when you bulk buy and stuff like that. If you're not using Tatti Lashes, then I suggest you try them. Also, they're just so soft and wispy, and yeah, I love them. Okay, so I'm just gonna get these lashes on. Ooh, and they're exactly the style I wanted. Their lashes are always so comfortable to wear as well. Okay guys, lashes are on and my look is complete. And basically, I love the palette. The only complaint I have is that it is super powdery. You get loads of fallout and it actually makes the palette really messy, because when you're dipping into it and then there's like powder and like eyeshadow dust everywhere, it's messy and it kind of goes everywhere. So that's probably the only complaint I have about this. But in terms of how the shadows go on, how they blend, they are like every other Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow, which is 10 out of 10. I feel like ABH always come through with the good quality. Like, you literally can't fault them on quality, and they're so easy to use, so easy to blend, and pigmentation is just there. So again, just making it even easier for you. Like I said before, I love the colors in this palette. I definitely need to create another look with this palette. I'm going to be using it more on my channel. Well, you need to let me know in the comment section below if you want me to, but I feel like I really want to use this more on my channel so I can try out loads of different other looks. I believe this palette is £56, so yeesh, it's expensive. I don't think that's a cheap palette. However, it's high-end, it's good quality, it's got some really good staple shades in this palette. The only thing is that there's not a black eyeshadow, but that's cool. I feel like if you've got ABH Soft Glam, then you're sorted. I think literally if you needed 2 palettes and you weren't someone that was like very adventurous with color, I would go for this palette and ABH Soft Glam. Like, those two together are just, it's like literally everything you need. And I think if I'm gonna travel, then these are the 2 palettes I'm going to take with me from now on. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've tried it already. And also, if you like this look right here, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, which I think is down there. And also, you can get me on Instagram. The rest of this makeup look is in a video over there. But yeah, I think that is everything. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial and my review. Let me know if there's any other palettes you want me to check out on my channel. I know, like, there's just so many good new releases at the moment. It's a lot, it's intense. So yeah, if there's anything you want me to check out for you guys and share with you, then let me know in the comment section. But for now, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Bye.